What is going on, y'all? Tech Me out here, and today I am super excited because in front of me I have the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This phone right here is the latest device released from Samsung. It's actually one of 3. I've done a video on all of them in terms of like having my first impressions of them and just everything really that you need to know. So if you want to learn more about the lineup, I'll have that link down below. But in this one, we're gonna be unboxing this, seeing what we get in the package, getting my first impressions, thoughts on the color, and also probably some camera samples towards the end. But now that we have said all that, let's get into it. All right, so first, in taking a look around the box, we have branding along the left and the right. And then along the top, it's actually empty, and along the bottom is where you have the serial number and all of that stuff. And then along the front, we have the, little image of what the device is and the name of it. All right, so let's get in the box. Ooh. So let's get to the device here. What else do we have? We have, man, it's crazy, like how packaging is nowadays in terms of what you get. We get less and less. We nix the headphone jack, no headphones. We still need a charge, but they don't give us the adapter. It's just, I don't know, quite interesting. But anyway, we got the pamphlet here of information regarding the phone, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a SIM tray ejector. Real simple, y'all. Woo! So I'm gonna throw that off to the side, and we're gonna get this film off. Cream, y'all, is just giving everything it's supposed to give. It is just, I don't know, it looks very luxury. I think I use this maybe too often, but hey, it is what it is. To me, it's like a piece of jewelry. Like, this is an accessory. I'm really enjoying the aesthetic here. So we have frosted glass along the back and stainless steel sides. And in terms of buttons, we have the volume button and the power button along the right, and the SIM tray down here at the bottom, along with USB-C charging and our also famous S Pen. So I don't think there were many, if any, new features that were announced for this S Pen on this one, but that's a nice little combo. Let's get into it for a hot second. So we got the white with the black stylus. Let's go ahead and power this on. This feels so nice. Like, I feel like I'm about to conduct some business with this phone. Like, this just feels boss. Like, I don't know. Doesn't this look like you're about to get some work done? Yeah, no, is it me? Like, it looks like you making moves. All right, y'all, so one of the first things I want to test out on this, let's get into the speakers. Let's go to YouTube. Okay, now one thing I have learned after taking 657 flights. All right, y'all, so maybe I'm exaggerating that number of... Yeah, it doesn't sound bad. I like it. But what I'm going to be enjoying just as much is definitely this Galaxy S23 Ultra. I will say, though, I'm really looking forward to testing this out. Something I've always just loved about Galaxy devices is the displays. The displays and the cameras. If you know me, you know those are like 2 of my favorite things on these phones. Outside of the option that customization is just a galaxy of options. I didn't even realize that I played on words there, but it is seriously just like a ton of different options you have when it comes to being able to customize your phone. But I like the way this feels in hand. I want to actually cross compare these against some other devices. So this is the Galaxy S23 Ultra here in cream, and this is the Galaxy S22 Ultra over here on the left. They both feel good in hand. The S23 Ultra, I don't know if it has more of like a satin finish. This feels a little different, but we do have more rounded edges from what Samsung has been saying on the display, which is going to give us basically real estate to enjoy content. But that's how that stacks against that. This is it against the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So yeah, that's how it stacks up if you're kind of curious, like what does it look like against a phone that you currently have or we're also considering. I'm actually going out tonight, so I'm going to take this out with me and, see what kind of photos we get. So this is a one-off, but I want y'all to see what's happening. Look, my bad, yeah. So this is a one-off, but I want y'all to see what's happening when we try to scan this QR code. So if you notice right here, when you try to scan the code, I can't do anything. Like with iPhone, I can at least go on the camera app. She's already got her photo. Like, look at that. I'm ready to go. But I'm still trying to take mine. So she has to send me the link or something because I can't even zoom right now.
It's still a good phone though.
It's the rich laugh for me.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no call. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
So far, so good. What I'm experiencing so far with it, I'm just like in productivity heaven.
Friday.
Oh really?
Uh-huh.
How was it?
It was so good. Just going up early in the morning, go downtown.
Sis, oh sorry. Oh, so, yeah, with the sis, oh sorry. Oh, so, do you need a napkin? I look back and saw these on wet spots.
Step one. All right, so first I'm gonna have Cam step a little bit to the left, right there, and then I'm gonna put him to the center, so a hair to the left again, so that way, right there, and then yeah, that's pretty center. And I have my square grid up here too, so I'm able to see that you're clearly in the center of that square. And so now I'm gonna just start snapping away, so you can start moving. Hold up. All right, so you can, yep, step closer, step a little closer, and walk all the way to me. There you go. I like to play with ultra wide because it gives me better angles. Ooh, spin one more time for me. So as you can see, I'm just snapping away, and I'm gonna even start moving to him.
Yes. All right, we'll stop there. Thanks, Cam. Now we got brightness all the way up. I think we even got it, you know, cranked up to the little extra bit that they give you for maximum brightness, and we're looking good outside. Like, you know, sometimes when you're out in direct sunlight with your phones and stuff, like it's hard to see what's on the screen if it's too bright. So far, this one's been pretty good. I haven't had any issues.
This is gold. This
That
is
looks
smooth.
so good. Can you zoom in?
Look at the
If we got-
material. Like, look at that.
Look at the detail even when you zoom in.
Like, this
Wow.
is good stuff. This is gold.
Oh my God, it's a glare. They can't get into the details to know. We'll throw on screen.
Pull a picture up.
What are you thinking, Suge? How are you feeling about?
Here.
What would you use to take your photos? Had both.
Sony 4.4.
Oh wait, no. If you had a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra on you and your iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it was time to grab a photo for you of you, which phone would you use? Which phone would you grab? Pick either. You have both.
So far, I love it though. I will pick this one up.
But what is it about the Ultra for you?
The quality, it is able to capture dull lighting, you know, like
Yeah.
moments where it looks really dark. On the iPhone, it'll be really dark. Here, it brightens everything up around you. It brings your face to light.
It's very vibrant.
It's very vibrant.
But the thing that makes it look good up here too, oh, that's a good shot. You like give you one lesson and you just go off. But no, like for real.
Yeah, the Samsung Ultra is eating girls up right now.
It really is. Oh, and what takes it to that next level is that you have the S Pen. So being that you would choose this phone to take photos of yourself gives you a bigger advantage because you don't have to pair anything. This is already paired with that, and you would literally step away, hit the button, and it take your picture. Boom.
Wow.
Yeah, and if you take it and aim it at it and you're swiping like this, it'll switch modes.
Wow.
It's a little thing.
Well,
You, don't tell that. You get the picture.
So yeah, that's gonna conclude this one, but definitely drop your questions down below in the comment section. I'm gonna be probably there for a little bit after the video, and we'll also be answering some of your questions in my upcoming content. So until then, y'all, as always, thanks for taking the time out to let me tech you out. And if you want more updates on when more videos are coming or how I'm doing in general, you can feel free to follow me on Instagram at techmeout, TECHME0UT.